In order to stay competitive, everyone has to be able to frac faster, smarter, better, more efficient, and that's where Redline Plus comes in. Our products and consumables can outlast, take more punishment, they're more consistent in performance than the last generation. That's what GD represents. So we were out there field testing well before we were done with the test. There was a substantial increase in performance that the customers noticed in our prototype sets because we did a head-to-head comparison between previous generation and our new prototypes at the time. Most of our customers wanted to switch over before the test was even done. The difference was that substantial. They also noticed decrease in time to change their packing. It was easier to get the rings in and out. Our customers in the Permian saw a 44% increase over original Redline. We were seeing excess of 500 hours average packing life. Enough so that they were ready to cut the test early and just change over, but we needed some more data to make sure we knew what we had. The average in the Haynesville was 200 hours, and we were pushing in excess of 250 consistently. Our average was 289 hours out there, so we shifted maintenance intervals to 250 hours. Customers saw extended maintenance intervals, 50 hours per set of packing. That's less time you have to get into your pump. When your packing lasts longer, you've got more flexibility to change packing when you need to, rather than when you have to. We increased the average life in the Eagle Ford by 44%, and one of the crew managers mentioned that the Redline Plus packing was so much easier to install and remove that actually did decrease their maintenance time by about 15 minutes. Customers can expect increased reliability with Redline Plus packing, more consistency than the original Redline product. We talk about higher performance, we're really talking about extending packing life, which really extends your maintenance intervals. And if your product is very consistent, like Redline Plus, then you can confidently extend your maintenance intervals without risk of wash or damage to your equipment. Our new Redline Plus junk rings have a taper on the front, so they're easier to install. After they've been running the field for a while, they typically get stuck in the fluid ends, and we adjust that so that you still get the same alignment in the bore while being able to be easily removed after a long life in the field. Better serviceability means things are easier to change, you can get in and get out quickly and then back into service. It's important to not run your packing to failure because you risk damaging your other equipment. The key to getting the longest life out of your packing is good bore condition, proper lubrication, and a smooth, clean plunger. It's important to have a reliable packing product that can make it to your extended maintenance intervals, and that's where the consistency of Redline Plus comes in. When we designed Redline Plus packing, we looked at every component. We redesigned from the junk ring to be easier to install, to better pressure ring material, to better lube flow and debris clearance through our lantern rings. All your packing components work together as a system, as a whole stack, and we changed every single one of them to optimize performance. Redline Plus is the ideal packing for anyone who is looking for performance. A performance-leading product, packing that is going to be consistent, reliable, and last the longest.